Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need focus. Pick a niche where you can solve real problems and where advertisers or affiliates pay. Once chosen, register a short domain and set up hosting. Make your CMS lean so pages load fast. Next, write 5 cornerstone posts that answer top questions and add a simple email opt-in. This gets traction and captures leads from day one. Make sure to install analytics and an SEO plugin so you can track which topics perform and double down. Now scale content and outreach. You should publish consistently. Mix long-form tutorials with short problem-solving posts so you capture search and social traffic. Optimize every post for target keywords, internal linking, schema, and compressed images to improve rankings. Once done, pursue backlinks through guest posting, expert roundups, and collaborations. Outreach converts authority into clicks. Also start repurposing content into videos and newsletters to grow an audience across channels. You can monetize through multiple streams, place contextual ads, add affiliate reviews, and build digital products or memberships. Start small, measure revenue per post, and scale what converts. Make sure to /B test headlines, CTA, pricing, and funnel steps to increase conversions. If revenue stalls, audit content quality, keyword targeting, and technical SEO. Check your backlink profile for toxic links. One key troubleshooting tip. If traffic drops, revert recent major changes and run a content gap analysis to restore search visibility quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.